How to fix Facebook long videos not showing on iPhone and Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix long videos not showing on iPhone and Android. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, as you can see, I'm on my Facebook account, and if I go to the video section here, as you can see, it is only showing short videos. There is no long video that I can show from here. So guys, now I found such a wonderful technique by applying which you can solve this problem. So to solve this problem in order, first go to the Facebook application on your device. Then tap on your profile picture or three horizontal lines. Now tap on settings at the top right corner of the page. Next, swipe down and find tab bar under the preferences and tap on it. Now tap on customize the bar. On the next menu, tap on auto next to the video. Now you need to hide your video option. Now close the Facebook application once and open it again. So as soon as you open it, you'll see that the reel option has disappeared from here. Now the question arises that how will you watch the videos? For this, click on the three horizontal lines or your profile picture and scroll down and tap on the video section. As soon as you tap on it, it will immediately show long videos in front of you.